Well, this year we've had no shortage of unseasonable weather. Now, while many expected some snow this holiday season, we're being greeted by that spring-like weather that we keep mentioning. But if we take a look back on the past 12 months, this odd trend in the forecast is nothing new. Chief Meteorologist Chris Vickers is putting a bow on 2023 with a wrap-up of this year's weather.
The beginning of 2023 featured a winter that never arrived. The month of January was the 7th warmest on record, with a monthly average temperature an astounding 7.5 degrees above average. A brief round of wintry weather. The winter's largest snowfall of just over 5 inches came on January 25th and 26th. February 2 was the 7th warmest February on record. Less than 1 inch of snow was recorded in the entire month. While snow was missing, a crippling ice storm struck southern Michigan on February 22nd. Ice accumulations over 1/2 inch toppled trees, knocked out power for more than a week in parts of Hillsdale, Lenawee, and Monroe counties. Thinking spring in March? Not so fast. We did receive more snow than all of February, about 4 inches. Our first round of strong to severe storms arrived on March 31st. High winds blasted the area. 2 weak EF0 tornadoes were reported. More severe weather with high winds and torrential rains ripped into the area for the first week of April. May quickly turned to dry weather for the start of the growing season. It was the 6th driest May on record. That set the longest streak of dry weather in the spring season at 21 consecutive days. Our first 90-degree day and taste of summer, that heat came the day after Memorial Day. The severe weather season roared into gear with the largest single-day tornado outbreak.
Tornado, everybody get in the basement. So we didn't hesitate. We rushed everybody into the basement.
On the evening of June 15th, an EF2 tornado struck Point Place with little warning. The powerful supercell severe storm dropped baseball-sized hail and a powerful tornado, leaving a path of destruction. The tornado had max winds to 130 miles per hour and was 300 yards wide, twisting on the ground for over 5 minutes. Powerful EF2 tornadoes also struck Ottawa and Huron counties. All total, 12 twisters were confirmed, making this the largest single-day tornado outbreak.
The wildfires create particulates in the air. Those particulates are pollutants. They have a certain chemical composition, and when we breathe them in, they can be irritants to our respiratory system.
Late June brought more wildfire smoke from Alberta, leading to some of the worst air quality of the summer. The hazy and thick blanket of wildfire smoke registered some of the worst air quality levels globally on June 28th. The month of August brought more sweltering summer heat.
We don't want to die. We don't want to pass out. We just want to make sure that we're healthy and ready for Friday.
And on August 23rd and 24th, a slow-moving, massive cluster and complex of severe storms and tornadoes erupted. 4 additional tornadoes were confirmed in northwest Ohio and southeast Michigan. However, this storm was most known for the torrential flash flooding near Lake Erie. Rain over 10 inches in just 12 hours led to widespread flash flooding. The Bash on the Bay in Put-in Bay was canceled due to extensive storm damage and flash flooding. Summer heats continued into September with highs into the 90s. This included the hottest Labor Day on record at 93 degrees. Gorgeous fall weather arrived right on schedule, with the peak of the fall colors beginning the 3rd week in October. The first snow of the season arrived on Halloween, with a quick burst of heavy snow greeting trick-or-treaters. The result shattered the record for most snow on Halloween, with 7/10 of an inch of snow reported. November and December mirrored the impact from a very strong El Nino winter season. Overall dry, sunny, and mild weather dominated for the beginning of the winter season. The El Nino influence, a sign of an overall mild winter ahead. The lack of snow and winter cold was once again very apparent. As 2023 draws to a close, the entire year as a whole will be testing the all-time warmest year in recorded history. I'm WTOL 11 Chief Meteorologist Chris Vickers.